Hey everybody, Eric coming to you from down in South America here in Ecuador. Just wanted to touch base with you real quick. We are just got done with some incredible Zoom calls around the world. I think we just had 15 or close to 20 different countries on, and just wanted to show you real quick one of our offices here. We're in a penthouse here at our building here and centrally located in Ecuador. So just wanted to give you guys an idea of what we've got going on here. We've got Alvaro back here, I think, packaging some packages.
Hi,
back
everyone.
here. All right, Alvaro's rocking it out, and we got all kinds of stuff happening back, meetings, and we've got our product back there, which, I always talk about wearing your gear, your shirts, your hats, everything, and really be proud of what you guys got. So we've got something really special, and so many neat, exciting people coming on board that in my 30 years, I've never had a chance to work with, and it's thrilling because this is our chance, just get out there, let people know what you got, share the product, sample, and people are gonna, they're gonna feel it. They're gonna feel the results. Those of you that are already involved with the company, and gosh, we're bringing hundreds in a day right now and hitting records. We're probably gonna do more. We did over 800% last week. We're probably gonna do double or triple that this week. So keep up the great work with that. Everyone, proud to have you on board, and we will talk to you soon.